Good morning, traders. Peter here, Forte Trader, 12/9/16, December 9th. It's a Friday. They say a lot of traders don't trade this day. A lot of professionals cash out. Be careful, but we're range trading here. Well, actually, we're price action trading. I removed the Hikanashi candlesticks. We have your traditional Japanese candlesticks. This is the YM, the Dow E-mini, okay, through the CME, and pretty much right here today, I'm sorry, this is the crude oil. Let me back it up to the Dow. We'll come back down to crude oil in a minute here. We made about 10 points here today. I think 3 contracts with the first 6 points, and then I went ahead and just scalped real quickly another 4 points with 1 contract. So total of about $110 profit for the first 30-minute trading of the day. Only requiring a $1,500 margin account. Be careful though, guys. We always talk about this. The market over entirety has been in a big, I moved our lines, but in a big uptrend with Trump being presidency, some kind of like a feeling of corporate relief by the corporations and stuff. It seems like the markets are all around just on a crazy new record highs. I hear as a joke that China's making like already they're printing the Dow 20,000 point hats in China. Don't be surprised we see them here shortly. But again, price action is what it's all about. This is what we've been seeing today, drawing our lines and having some confidence in it. Let me show here where we draw our trends, and we made some profits. Also, as we draw like these little temporary, so just draw these temporary lines, let them touch as many ends as they can in the middle. The channels will make sense to you. And then as we did that, before this line was even drawn, then as we do that, we kind of discovered that, hey, here's another like support area, right? So as soon as we saw that this bar right here form, market took off. And in that meantime, I had finished a longer 15-minute video, realized that my microphone, not only, it wasn't that it wasn't working, the wrong microphone was attached. So chickadee check, check, microphone check. Chickadee check, check, microphone check. Anyway, happy Friday, traders. That's that right there. We're up on that 110 bucks on the crude. I scalped just a couple of ticks. Here again, draw your trend line, and I think right here I scalped, and only to find that it went down even lower. So I left money on the table again, of course. Respected our rules. We didn't even have to bother with this stuff here, this MACD. We'll talk about this in future classes, how we're going to use that for confirmation or validation of some of our judgment, but not to make a decision on any of our rules. We're just going to use it as a tool. We'll use probably a couple indicators. As our team grows bigger and some traders want to share some indicators that may work better, we'll always revise and always add. Right now I have a mentor that has a chart that looks like this. That's tick charts, so some of you that are familiar with that. I watch a lot of these things and I build different things for us, so I thought that it'd be nice to add some little bit of a momentum tools for us, but we'll talk about how to really utilize this in our classes. Let's see here. Anything else I wanted to talk about? Let's take a look at the ES real quick. ES usually correlates and moves in the same pattern as the YM. And also in the future here coming around, we're going to probably be looking at taking advantage of the TF, which I've been hearing from a lot of people is pretty friendly. They moved this from the CME over to the New York Board of Trade, and I hear that it's gotten pretty better, and it's also kind of priced the same as YM. Crude oil, guys, I just, for you guys that are considering for the lower capital, just be careful right now. Don't do it if you're low on capital. Every penny move on the crude oil is equivalent to $10. So this is not an E-mini. This is the actual futures of the oil. So got to be very careful. Make sure that you have the right margins. It requires bigger margin. I think $1,000 a contract versus on our other ES and YM. We're doing at like $500 through our wholesale broker. Okay, so that's about it. Up for the day, 130 bucks. That's only 30 minutes in the trading day. I'm recording this video for like the third time already. I got to keep it short now. This is our first official for the public market recap for December 9th. It's Friday, and I'm out. Okay, email us if you have any questions. If you see this thing on YouTube or find us on YouTube, please subscribe, like, share with your friends. These are free. These are going to be loaded for free. Every day I could possibly record them until I get someone to help me out too. These will be on our website, fortetrader.com. Thank you.